In this brand new video, you will now discover iterations in Python, using for and while loops, so you can improve the execution flow of your program. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. In each example you have seen so far, the entire body of the for loop is executed, on each iteration. It is all very well, but quite limited, right? Fortunately, Python provides two keywords, break and continue, that will terminate a loop iteration, prematurely. Break, in for loop. Break in Python is a flow control statement that is used to exit the execution, as soon as the break is encountered. The Python break statement immediately terminates a loop, entirely. Consequently, the program execution then proceeds to the first statement, following the loop body. Let's understand how you can use a break statement in for loop, using an example. So, let's say you have a list with strings, as items. You want to exit the loop using the break statement, as soon as the desired string is encountered. In the above example, as soon as the loop encounters the space character, it will enter the if statement block where the break statement will exit the loop, straight away. Thus, it will only print digital. Did you get it? Then let's practice. It's your turn now. Suppose you have a list of colors, red, green, blue, yellow, and you want to print each color, but break the loop when it encounters blue. How would you proceed? What output would you get? Here is a solution. First, let's declare a list, in which you added all of the colors red, green, blue, yellow. Then, iterate throughout this list, using for statement, for color in colors. It will create an iterator, and the variable color will get the next value, on each iteration, until the execution has reached the last item in the sequence. When it encounters the item blue, you do not want to execute the code that comes next, but exit the loop, if color equals blue, break. In all the other cases, as it would be with an else statement, you want to print the current color. As you may have guessed, the loop will print red, green, and stop, because the next item is blue. Congrats, you just wrote your first for loop, on your own. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.